Right, so today's been an unboxing video. Now I'm in my workshop, which still isn't finished yet, but I thought I'd come out there to do an unboxing. So this is an Optima 2 Plus I bought, so I thought I'd just unbox it and upload it. Very strong tape on it. Oh, look, you can see the Optima 2 Plus there. Oh, it's the eBay listing. Open it. Tape's too strong for my screwdriver. Right, so finally after wrestling with the tape for a few minutes, I got it open. There's the eBay listing. Remove all the packaging. See what we got. So, first thing that I got out, which is the end station Optima 2 Plus. And we've got the Optima 2 Plus manual, flash guard manual, which is the bell box. And we have keypad, which has got that horrible tape on it again. So I'll just try and get that keypad out. Here's the keypad, which goes with the panel. And then finally, we've got the bell box, which is one of these strange flash guard boxes. Never seen one before, never had one. And there it is. So I'm probably now going to open up the main panel. So I'm just going to sit down and do that. Always wanted an Optima 2 Plus. I'm getting a bit bored of the XM, to be honest. I think this has been in someone's kitchen, hence why it looks a bit tired. So, we've got 4 zones, Tampa, PA, fire. Fire. Quite interesting, it's got a fire zone. It's got a push sat zone and lots of other ones as well. Quite a complex panel, well for its day, it's got a lot of stuff on it. Next we'll just have a look at the keypad. So I'm just going to open that up. No idea how I'm meant to open it. I guess I just pull, I don't know. So we get the keypad front cover off. Seems pretty easy to wire. So probably get that up and going and make a demo video of it at some point. So yeah, I mean, this is quite an old panel. This is not that old, this bell box, so it might have been replaced for a Type C or something about 15 years ago. Probably, most likely. Yes, that's just this little eBay haul. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.